What's happening, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth on Photoshop CC 2019 in under 2 minutes. We want to start off by going down to the adjustment layer icon. Click on that. Hue and saturation. And then we want to pick the hand tool here. Click anywhere on his teeth. And all you need to do is raise the lightness here. And as you can see, his teeth are now white. But when we zoom out, we can now see he's went really pale, which we don't want. So to fix this, go over to your mask. Press Command or Control I to invert. And then just go over to your brush tool. But you've got to make sure here that your foreground colour is white. Zoom back in on the teeth and literally just paint over with your brush tool. And as you can see, his teeth are going white. Now it looks perfect. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching.